Today's ISM control is ISM 1999, and it's all about alignment. It says your board must ensure the organisation's cybersecurity strategy matches its overall business strategy. That means cyber shouldn't be a bolt-on, it should be part of the business engine. Here's a metaphor for you. You wouldn't design a bulletproof car and then enter it in a sailing race. Your cyber posture has to match where the business is going and how fast. I've assessed organisations with strong firewalls and access controls, but no consideration for cloud expansion or third-party risk, even though those are critical to their business plans. That kind of misalignment introduces unnecessary risk and undermines decision-making at the executive level. So here's your move. Ask yourself, does our cybersecurity plan reflect our actual business goals, growth plans, and risk appetite? Because if it doesn't, you're out of sync with ISM 1999.